Welcome to TrailRecon. My name is Brad, and this YouTube channel was created all because when we first bought our Jeep, my son and I filmed our first adventure off-road. And we thought, wow, that was really awesome. Let's do that every time we hit the trail. After a little while, we needed a place to put those videos, so we uploaded them to YouTube, really just for us. But lo and behold, folks like you watched them and were asking questions about where we were at and how difficult the trail was. So we took our non-existent video skills at the time and tried to improve those videos over time and make them better and better. And then folks were asking about the mods we were doing to the Jeeps and the products we were using. And so we started filming those kind of stuff and took you in the garage and showed you some tips and tricks. And then we would get asked questions about the people we were on the trail with. So we would film their vehicles and tell about their stories of off-roading and their adventures. It's been a great journey over the last couple of years. I'm 46 years old and I was in the Navy for 26 years as a corpsman. I never expected in my wildest dreams to be creating YouTube content, but wow, this has become such a passion. You know, I have always loved adventure and turning wrenches in the garage, and now being able to film those and share that information with you has been so rewarding. So in the future, I'm going to take you with me as we have some amazing off-road adventures, do a little camping along the way, and of course, we'll be in the garage turning some wrenches and showing you the products we're using. I think you'll really enjoy the future content we've got here. Now, I've created a playlist for new subscribers with just a couple videos that'll give you a good understanding about the kind of videos you'll see here on the channel. Hit that subscribe button, go check them out. I think you'll really enjoy them. Thanks for watching.